Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to reset PIN in Messenger. To do that, first open the Messenger app on your phone. Then tap on the three lines on the top left corner right here. And then tap on the settings icon. After that, scroll down until you see privacy and safety. Then tap on privacy and safety. Then you'll see an option of end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap on it. Then tap on message storage. Then you'll see an option of reset PIN. Tap on it. Then you can create a new PIN from here. And that's it. Now you know how to reset PIN in Messenger. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you with. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.